Is the only reason I really this song just this is what my father closed like every show with, and there was no good reason to record this song other than just to have that one to close the whole album with. So you know, we did it, and it's fine, and we'll leave you with this. Thank y'all so much. We do have merch over here if you haven't done that yet. Tip your bartender. And we will see you next time. I know I've got a little thing on August 17th at Jolton Hardware. There's stuff coming up. Check my website, joyco.com. That's easy to remember. Or juballeeyoung.com. They both work. Get you to the same place. Every day I'm more confused. Look for the light through the pouring rain. I know there's a game that I hate to lose. I'm feeling the strain, hating the shame, yeah. Give me the beat now, free my soul. Wanna get lost in your rock and roll and drift away. Hey, give me the beat now, free my soul. Wanna get lost in your rock and roll and drift away. Let me drift away. I'm beginning to think that I'm wasting my time. I don't understand half the things I do. The world outside looks so unkind. Now it's up to you. Carry me through, yeah. Give me the beat now, free my soul. Wanna get lost in your rock and roll, drift away. Hey, give me the beat now, free my soul. Wanna get lost in your rock and roll, drift away, drift away. When my mind is free, you know a melody can move me. When I'm feeling blue, you know that guitar's coming through to soothe me. Thanks for the joy that you've given me. I want you to know I believe in the song, the rhythm and the rhyme and the harmony. You've held me along, making me strong, yeah. Give me the beat now, free my soul. Wanna get lost in your rock and roll and drift away. Thank y'all so much. We did it. We've played 19 songs and we appreciate you, and we'll come visit for a minute and rest ourselves. Thank y'all so much.
I love it.